Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will try to understand global warming and greenhouse effect. Dear student, what is greenhouse effect? There are some gases like carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrogen oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and water vapors. These gases have the property to absorb the heat. Okay, so these gases have the natural property to absorb the heat. So when the sun's heat falls on the earth, if there is high concentration of these gases like carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrogen oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and water vapors, the temperature on earth's surface is increased. This increase of temperature on earth's surface because of the greenhouse gases, that is called greenhouse effect. Okay, so because of this greenhouse effect, there is a rise of temperature on the whole globe, what we call global warming. You have observed that from last few decades the temperature on the earth is constantly increasing. So this increase of temperature on the earth's surface is because of these greenhouse gases. So this increase of temperature, this global warming, it is having very bad consequences on the whole globe, on the whole earth. Dear students, as we know, there is only one earth on which we live. So if khuda na khasa, if this earth is destructed, if this earth is if global warming is increases, if this global warming is continuously increasing in next few decades, we will face lot of problems, we will face very bad consequences. So first of all, let's we try to understand what are the causes of this greenhouse effect, what are the causes of this global warming. Dear students, burning of fossil fuel is one of the important and main cause of this global warming. Cutting down of trees, what we call deforestation, because forests are the purifiers of the environment. If we cut the forests, if we cut the trees, this may also lead to increase the temperature, global temperature. Increase in population is another important factor of this global warming, of this greenhouse effect. Okay, increase in pollution. You know, pollution is of various types, but the air pollution is the main cause of this global warming. Industrial wastes and landfills, use of chemical fertilizers in farmers, are some other important causes of this greenhouse effect. Dear students, this is the time to get aware. This is the time to reduce the greenhouse effect. This is the time to reduce the global warming. Otherwise, it may be very late. It may cause destruction worldwide. So, if we see the ways to reduce global warming, there are some ways which help us to reduce this global warming. Number one is restricted use of fossil fuels. Restricted use of fossil fuels. So there is the alternative source of energy. If instead of fossil fuels there would be use of alternative source of energy like solar energy, wind energy, this will prove very beneficial to reduce the global warming. Afforestation. So we should plant more and more trees so the earth would get benefited, so this greenhouse effect would be reduced. Waste management, conservation of water, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is a slogan to by which we will help our earth. We will to redress the damage already done to it. So this would be free from this greenhouse effect and this global warming. So inshallah, tomorrow we will continue the same topic. God bless you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.